I don't know about when we bought a new build house in Calgary, the builder not include AC. So my house have everything, have heat, like washing and everything. Like we have everything, but only I don't have the AC like this one right there. It's a condenser. So this one I have to purchase by my own. And like from beginning, the builder don't tell you, like it not include the AC, and we don't know about it because when we go check the new house, there are a lot of things for you to check, right? Like we very carefully, like we check everything. We check the wall, we check washing machine, we check everything work fine, everything good. But except we forgot about the AC, because when we receive the house, that's in the winter time, and we only care about the heat. We forgot about the air conditioner because it's cold, right? So we cannot check the air conditioner working or not. So we totally forgot about the AC. I don't know the other builder, are they give you AC or not, but I did check around my neighbor. Like as you see my neighbor right here, they don't have the condenser like this. Or a lot of house near me, nobody have, because right now it's still in the spring, it's still a little bit cold, so nobody need the AC yet. So I think will be soon. Everyone will be need to be installation the AC. So one day when we feel hot inside the house, so we try to turn on the AC, and then we find out, like, oh, we don't have the AC. And then when we check back with the builder, and they said, oh, we don't it's not included the AC, so you guys have to do it by yourself. So now I'm not complaining about why they don't have it. I'm not complaining about it. I just want to share with you, like, when you bought a new build, you must make sure like they have or not. If not, you have to asking them. You pay more money to install the AC for you, because you don't want to light up. Because right now, when I try to contact with the company to do the AC, they're asking me to have to wait, because right now they are in high season. Right now they're so busy, so I have to wait at least like 2 weeks for them to come here to installation. But the problem is, because my new build house is finished. I have finished basement, and the problem is it's really hard for them to installation this one. Right now, as you can see, we just only have the condenser. They have to come back and figure it out how to do the line, the core, the line, right? Sorry for my English. I have to thinking about they may have to do the line go up here, and they may put the hole here to go inside the house. Yeah, it's very hard to do because when I have the finished basement, when I bought a house, they I also asking them to build the finished basement right away. Ow, ew, so dirty. Too much water here. Okay, this is the basement finished. So you can see that all the ceiling is finished, and so when the technician come in and they say, oh my goodness, this one is hard for them because our furniture room in here, so you can see that they have to make a hole right here to find out how to go from there to go to outside. Yeah, see, and there are a lot of things upstairs. Yeah, because I am have the finished basement, so I have two system different, and the AC only for the main system. That means basement will not have air conditioner. So I just a bit worried, like, did this basement need air conditioner? The company told me, like, don't need to install AC for basement because they always cooler than upstairs and don't need it. But I said, because I have the walk-out basement, you can see this room is literally outside, like level with the round, right? So I believe this room will be hot in the summertime. So I hope that it will not hot in here, because I don't want to spend another 7,000 to installation and one more AC. So come back to my AC. If they want, they have to go from there all the way there, crossing this thing and go to outside. See, my outside is outside right there. So how can they go upstairs? The light go back there to the room. Yeah, so usually they said like it's just a couple hours for them to installation. But the first day when they come in, they have many hours to figure it out how to do it, how to do the light. They may have to make a lot of hole on the ceiling. So that's in my experience for you guys when you from another province and when you bought a new building in Calgary, and you have a finished basement, make sure you have to have the AC system built for you before you do the finished basement. Yeah, my mistake is don't find out earlier. Yep, just only my experience about that. I don't know about the other builder, but I see around my neighbor, nobody have the condenser outside. So I believe, yeah, because my neighbor right there, they 3 or 4 builder, not only my builder. There 4 company building a house right now. So I can see that all of them don't offer the AC right away. So make sure you do the AC and just come back to my AC. I just want to share about my AC because my border between me and my neighbor is not too big, like just like this. So my border maybe around here. So my company told me don't go with the old one, the condenser, because this is a new condenser. It look more thinner than the big one. The big one, maybe they have to go up right there. It's the square one. It's really big. And if they too big, and after that, if I have a fan right there, and they big right there, so I don't have room to walk by. So they recommend me go with this one. I don't know I forgot what its name, but this one they said more better. This, yeah, you can see the information right here. So this one they said can go with the solar system. Yeah, if you guys have solar, they can using it. You can connect with the solar system. And this one cost me around 7,000 for everything. The other one, the old one, like the square one, will be around 6,000. But this one more benefit. Like this one will more quiet. They said for sure they will very quiet. I didn't know. I don't know yet because right now they're not done yet. So I can't tell they quiet or not. So the next day when I come back and finish, I will review how strong, how quiet when they running. And this one, they warranty, and if anything happen, they will cover it. The other one, the square one, they said they warranty about the part, but labor they don't cover. But with this one, only like 1,000 higher, but they said if anything happen, they warranty 10 years. If anything happen, they come and fix it. They don't charge you anymore. So I think this one will be the best. It look big. It look quite big, but it's thinner. It's thinner than the square one. And I think this will be good enough for us. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Sorry for my English, but I hope this one will give you some advice. Yeah, thank you. See ya. Bye bye.